All right, guys, WhiteStone, the dome glass screen protector for the Pixel 7 Pro is here. This is the packaging. This is actually a 2-pack, so you do get 2 of everything inside of the box. Full coverage, scratch protection, blue light cut, which means we're going to cure this at the end with blue light right here. You can see that. That is the blue light. Full clarity, full response. We will check it out at the end to make sure everything is working like it should, especially that fingerprint sensor and full filling. Everything is laid out here on the table. First thing we're going to do now, step by step. If you guys want to learn how to do this, just follow me step by step and we'll do it together. First thing, this is the Pixel 7 Pro. A little dirty, and we do want to make sure we clean this. Now, we do have 4 black strips. These are going to go on the sides of your device to protect it from the liquid getting into the holes and the buttons on the side. We want full protection on this device from any liquid, right? We don't want to damage anything on here, so WhiteStone does make it easy for us to get that. All right, guys, I want to take a quick minute to talk about something very important. Beats for Hope and El Jefe Reviews, they've been working together for a while with Jeff's line of t-shirts and hoodies and apparel, and we are going to help support that here on the channel. So 100% of the proceeds for every t-shirt sold will go and help feed a family and give a meal to a family in need. This is his latest design here, supporting and honoring his late and beautiful wife, Paloma, who sadly passed away recently. So 100% of the proceeds, guys, will go towards feeding a family. You get a dope t-shirt, and you get to help support this fantastic cause. We are using our platforms as creators to help put food on the table for local families in need. There are t-shirts, hoodies, women's shirts available in all sizes, ranging from small to 5X. Again, it's a win-win. You get a dope shirt. You get to help feed a family in need. Beats for Hope is a nonprofit that is a volunteer-based company and a unique platform that brings music and people together to make a difference in the community. Now you can see we got all the ports covered. All the buttons are covered with the 4 pieces of black tape, basically. Next thing we are going to do is start cleaning your device, because if you did not know, that dust is our enemy while doing this installation. If there is any dust on this device, it will cause air bubbles, and it will, well, it's going to bother you. It bothers me. If I get 1 air bubble in this thing, it will bother me, and I would probably do the whole thing over just to try and make it perfect. So first you want to start with this. We also have the wet wipe here from WhiteStone. So we'll do the wet wipe, and we'll make sure this thing is dust free, and check it throughout the whole installation, because dust just, it shows up. Even if you think it's clean, it's going to keep showing up. So we want to make this thing spotless, and try and keep it spotless after you do clean it. Try not to touch the screen if at all possible. So we'll do that. We'll hit it again with the cloth, and then of course we'll use the stickers. They do provide the sticker to get any little dust particles off that we can. That looks pretty good. So we're going to throw this on. This goes in, snaps in like that, and so far so good. It does look pretty clean, the device. Now, these 2 little foam inserts, these are going to go on the sides here as I touch the screen, unfortunately. I should have put these foam inserts in first, but we are here now. And this will help prevent any liquid, well, some liquid. It will help prevent some of the liquid from spilling over and going down the side of the device. Now, we're going to use our dust absorber sticker one more time to get any last bit of dust. I really don't see too much on here, but again, if you touch it at all, make sure you are getting that last bit of dust. You want this display to be spotless if possible. That looks pretty good. We can hold it up and look on an angle. I don't see any dust on there, so we will continue with the installation. Now we do have this little piece here. We're going to stick this in on the top. You can see this goes right here, snaps in place. And then we have this, another sticker here. This black part will go over the top of this, and it kind of protects the top of our device, again, from it going over. You're going to take this, and I saw my boy Josh do this on his installation, which was a very smart idea. Would not have thought of that. So shout out to Josh Q. Now we're going to throw this in here, and we're almost ready to do the installation. So it's not that difficult. It looks like a lot of things on the desk at one time, and it is, but it's still not that difficult. Now we have our bridge, 2 slots here on the side for our bridge. That goes into play. Now again, check one more time for dust. It looks clean, and this is the liquid. So pink side first. You want to take the pink side first, take this cap off, put this down, and this will stay right where it's at. And as you can see, nothing is coming out. Nothing will come out until we take off our black top. So let's unscrew the black piece. We'll unscrew this. And the liquid, as you can see, is now running out. Nice little circle right in the center. Give it a little tap, get the last bit of liquid out, and then we can get rid of this bridge, and we are all ready for our screen protector. Now you want to take your screen protector out, and 2 sides. So you do have back 2, and you can see the back. So this is the back of our tempered glass screen protector. We're going to take this adhesive off. And if you look closely, try not to touch this either, or you will get dust on here. And that's the last thing we want to do, is get any dust on the back of this. So there is a curve to this, as you can see. So you want to make sure you put this the correct way when you place this on here. So this is going to go down here. And it will sit right there perfectly. Now, all we're going to do, you see there are 2 arrows right here. We're going to push down, and once we do this, it will lift up a little bit. The adhesive will slide down. Once the adhesive gets to where these arrows are, we're going to pull this out, and then it will spread nice and even. At least that is how it's supposed to work. We're going to give it a try. So we're going to push down. You can see the adhesive is going down. Once it gets here, I'm going to pull it out, and now it should spread nice and even. As you can see, it's soaking in here to help prevent that from, well, going down the side of the device. So as this spreads, you will see we are lined up perfectly up top with the camera and the cutout here, and it is looking very nice so far. I think we have a good installation going up to this point. It already is all the way around. It just needs to get this bottom corner here. And then we are going to take our UV light and we're going to cure it for a minute. Well, about 15 seconds. So this UV light here, if you hit it once for 15 seconds, it will come on and then shut off. And if you double tap the button here on the back, it will turn on for 60 seconds. Come on, we're almost there. Get to the bottom. A little more we need to get. Pulled it pretty much where I should have, so it should be perfect. Almost there. It's on the corner. Looking pretty good so far. Still going, still going. Come on, a little more. Just a little more. And we're going to get ready. We'll get all this stuff out of the way. And you can see it is just about finishing up right here on the bottom. And we will have a very nice looking screen protector on here in a second. So it's just about finished. And we are good to go. Now we're going to take this UV light and we're going to cure it for 15 seconds on the top. Turn it on for 15 seconds. It should shut off automatically after 15 seconds. Now I'm going to do this top, middle, and bottom in all 3 spots. And it should shut off after 15 seconds. And then we'll do it again. We're going to move it to the middle. Turn it on again for another 15 seconds. And then we'll do the bottom of the device. And then we'll take it out of the rig and we'll take a look at it. I'm excited about this. This looks like a good installation. Another 15 seconds on the bottom. And then, of course, we'll turn the phone on, check that the fingerprint sensor works, check the responsiveness of just going through and using the device. So now that this is done, we're going to take this thing off of here. Let's actually push down on this. We'll get that out. Ooh, that looks clean. That is very nice. I don't see any pinholes on here. What's that? Is it a pinhole? Nope, but we do need to wipe this down some. So let's wipe this guy down. Get it nice and clean. So we do have a very good installation. I don't see any air bubbles at all. Next, we're going to do, take off this black tape on the side. Get that off of there, and we'll clean the side. Here's one. I don't see too much adhesive on any ends, not on the tops, not on the sides. So a very clean installation. If you just do it right, take your time, usually it works out pretty well. And that is what we have here with the WhiteStone dome. So looking good, looking good, looking good. Now we do have to cure it one more time, but we will clean this again. Clean the edges, clean all around the device. But overall, I'm very happy with the installation. Now we're going to throw this back in. Actually, we don't need that anymore. We're going to cure this now. 2 seconds is 60 seconds. So it should turn on for 60 seconds. Come on. It's like my power bank doesn't want to work sometimes. 60 seconds. All right, now that we're all done, this is all cured and good to go. We are going to wipe it down one more time, and let's power it on while we wipe it down, and we will test out the fingerprint sensor. We'll test out how responsive everything is, and we'll check it out. Overall, very happy with the installation. It looks really good on here. Not thick at all. So I do like how thin it is, and let's check it out. So let me put in my code real quick. Let it start up, and we will give it a test, see how responsive everything is, just like it should be. We'll go into Twitter, of course. We'll check out Twitter, see how good everything is. And let's check out that fingerprint sensor. Man, works good. No issues at all. I know in the past, previous owners of different devices and different screen protectors on here have had issues with the screen protector on here. This is not that. This works absolutely perfect. Very clean, very nice, works great. No issues as far as using the device after installing this. That's it, guys. Let me know what you think. The WhiteStone Dome glass screen protector for the Pixel 7 Pro. Let me know what you think. Peace.